Today, we're exploring the journey of Eric Bieniemy, a two-time Super Bowl winning coach who served as the offensive coordinator for the Kansas City Chiefs' high-powered offense, leading many to believe he was a future NFL head coach. However, his path to a head coaching job has been unconventional, leading him from the Chiefs to the Washington Commanders and a brief college stint before returning to the NFL. So, where is Eric Bieniemy now? Let's find out. Eric Bieniemy rose to prominence during his decade-long tenure with the Kansas City Chiefs from 2013 to 2022. During his 5 seasons as offensive coordinator, 2018 to 2022, he oversaw the development of Patrick Mahomes and helped the team win 2 Super Bowl championships, LIV and LVSIV. Despite this success, he was repeatedly passed over for NFL head coaching opportunities, leading him to seek a new challenge to prove he could run his own offense. He left Kansas City after the 2022 season to become the assistant head coach and offensive coordinator for the Washington Commanders in 2023. After a single, challenging season where the offense struggled and the head coach was fired, Bieniemy was not retained on the new staff. He then spent the 2024 season at the college level as the assistant head coach and offensive coordinator for his alma mater, UCLA, but was let go in December after the offense struggled significantly. Where is Eric Bieniemy now? As of December 2025, Eric Bieniemy is the running backs coach for the Chicago Bears. He was hired by the Bears' new head coach, Ben Johnson, in February 2025. Marking his return to the NFL and a position coach role he previously held with the Chiefs and Minnesota Vikings. Bieniemy joins a revamped offensive staff in Chicago and is focused on helping improve the Bears' running game. While he has taken a step back to a position coach role, the move has been viewed as a low-risk, high-reward situation for both him and the team. Eric Bieniemy has transitioned from a high-profile offensive coordinator to a vital position coach, prioritizing getting back into the NFL and contributing to a team's success. While his journey has had its ups and downs, he is focused on his current role in Chicago. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on individuals from high-profile sports careers and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.